Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Bedton. We are uploading frequently bed-related products. In this video you will find FKSDHDG single folding bed office snap lunch bed recliner home accompanying small bed simple portable bed. This will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. The recliner is made of fabric, with strong resistance, elasticity, comfortable and breathable foundation, portable and durable, safer to use. Maximum load bearing 200 kilograms. Foldable metal rod makes it easy to install and fold, evenly stressed, safe load bearing, non-slip and anti-rollover, fast storage, space saving, suitable for any season. The unique and ergonomic seat design gives you the best seat experience. It can be adjusted to any position according to your preference. Various angles help reduce stress and back pain, so you can double feel comfortable. Ideal for backpackers, hikers, concerts, campers, adventurers and anyone looking for comfort. Technical details: brand FKSDH style modern special feature armrest, ergonomic, foldable material synthetic fiber recommended uses for product office.